Hello all, welcome to Ferdinandtutorials. Do you know that it is very possible to score 300 and above in jAMB 2022 without any cheat or expo? Well, your search ends here in this video as we are going to show you proven tips on how to pass jAMB anytime you're writing it from 2022 with ease. Many UTME candidates say, I will pass jAMB excellently, yet a lot of them ended up failing. It's not because they plan to fail, but because they did not know the right path to follow in order to pass jAMB excellently. I'm sure you've heard and also have seen it a million times. So in this video, we're going to be exposing you to the real jAMB secret to blast the upcoming UTME with ease. We'll give you proven tips to pass jAMB 2022 without cheating. Now, let's go down to the video. Now, without wasting your time, we are quickly going to take you through how to pass for jAMB 2022 and pass excellently without cheating. The techniques we are about to show you are very additive and work for 99.99% of all candidates that use them right. If you're afraid of success or you're afraid of passing jAMB anytime you're writing it excellently, then don't watch this video. The secrets we're about to reveal to you in this video will help you score above 90 in each U 2022 or 2023 or anytime you're writing your UTME subject like mathematics, use of English, physics, chemistry, biology, economics, government, accounts, CRS, commerce, literature, English, Igbo, just name it. Below are magical ways on how to pass jAMB CBT exam. First, early preparation. Set a high target score. Study for jAMB the right way. Study consistently. Move with Jump Syllabus. Make use of jAMB past questions. Use jAMB recommended textbooks. Learn how to manage your time. Seek help. Know and improve your weak points. Stay close to information and engage with like minds. Now let's take this point one after the other. First, early preparation matters. Never play with time when you are supposed to work with time. If you wish to score very high in jAMB, then you have to start preparing very well. Don't wait till jAMB registration commences before you start studying for jAMB. If you do say you may pass, it's not that you're going to fail, you may pass. Early preparation provides you with some flexibility in your study schedule and allows room for any distractions such as unpredictable events. As human beings, we are subjected to procrastination, laziness, distractions, stress, and unavoidable family commitments. Early preparation allows some rules for this. This is also another secret on how to pass jAMB 2022. The second one is set a high target score. Aim for the moon. If you miss, you may hit the star. A famous quote by self-help business guru Clement Stone. He says a lot about why targets are important to every company and individual, and why it's important to push yourself to aim high. A target is a goal that the individual is aiming to reach. But targets don't just tell us what we are aiming for. They let us measure the distance by which we fall short and the amount of work we need to do to make it up. You need to have a target in order to judge whether you are making improvements or not. But how should you set targets? Well, aiming high is always a good start, but here are some other tips to consider. One, you have to be specific, be realistic, support top-level targets with lower-level targets, and gamify. If you want to score high in jAMB 2022, you need to set a very high target score. Tell yourself, I want to score above 300 plus in jAMB 2022. But here is the catch. You are likely to score below your target score. So target a very high jAMB score so that even when you are going down, you will not go below 250. You set target at 300, you are probably going to get 280, 290. That is a target. The third one there is study for jAMB the right way. The way you study for jAMB will determine what your jAMB score will look like. Taking exams is stressful, but you can make it easier by improving the way you study. Study for your exams effectively and efficiently will keep you from feeling unprepared, and it will set you up for success. Plan review sessions beginning at least a week in advance of each exam. Ideally, you will do several mini reviews well in advance. Gradually increase the time in which you study rather than trying to cram everything. It will be of tremendous importance to also know that not every candidate that scores low in jAMB didn't study or prepared well. Some actually studied, but they didn't study the right way. So we want you to study the right way. Number 4, study consistently. Now, develop the habit of consistent reading. This will help you understand and remember more. Is jAMB hard? Not at all, it's not. I wrote jAMB, I passed it. I'll tell you my story one of these days. You just need to know what works and what doesn't. Don't attempt to cram all your studying into one session. Plan when you are going to study. Study at the same time. Each study time should have a specific goal. Never procrastinate your planned study session. Start with the most difficult subject first. The fifth one, work with jAMB syllabus. The reason why students happen to get a little above their cutoff mark or below their cutoff mark in the UTME exam is that they fail to make use of their very important tool called the jAMB syllabus. Scoring high in jAMB is very easy, only if you prepare the right way. The jAMB syllabus is an exam planning tool. It helps you prepare and organize the course. It describes the course goals. It explains each subject structure, exams, review sections, and other activities required for students to learn the material. Remember, it is your direction and not your intention that leads you to your destination. So you want to pass jAMB, but you don't know where you are going or what you need to do in order to pass jAMB 2022. That is fallacy. So try as much as possible to make the right use of your jAMB syllabus. Number 6, make use of jAMB past questions. Make use of jAMB past questions. Yes, I said that. Have you heard the fact that jAMB repeats past questions yearly? Is it true that jAMB repeats past questions? Yes, this is true. Though things have changed a bit. Before, jAMB used to repeat past questions word for word. Now the questions are usually modified. So this is why I say, don't cram jAMB past questions and answer. The importance of studying jAMB past questions is that you will know the pattern of questions you are going to face. It helps you detect your strength and weakness. It also helps you focus on the right thing to study. Give you info on the difficulty of the exam. A practical tool to improve efficiency and accuracy. I hope you're getting. So, the next one, that's number 7, is use jAMB recommended textbooks. The next tip on how to pass jAMB 2022 is to make use of jAMB recommended textbooks. If you want to prepare for jAMB and pass excellently, then there are no substitute for good textbooks. But here's the question. How do you find the best textbooks to read for jAMB and pass? That's hard, right? Simple. The best way is to check jAMB recommended textbooks for each subject. These textbooks have been properly reviewed and found to be good enough to pass jAMB anytime you're writing it. But here is the catch. I didn't review and suggested them. jAMB board did. So tell me, do you think the board will ever review a textbook that does not meet the standard of this examination? Definitely not. So you should always spend a few minutes previewing a chapter. Number 8, learn how to manage your time. Another factor that differentiates candidates who pass jAMB from candidates who scores low in jAMB is their time management skill. To pass jAMB, you must know how to spend your time the right way. Good time management allows you to accomplish more in a shorter period of time. It leads to more free time, which lets you take more advantage of learning opportunity, lowers your stress, and helps you focus, which leads to more career success. Each benefit of time management improves another aspect of life. Effective time management allows you to complete more in less time because your attention is focused and they are not wasting time on distraction, such as social media, for example. Efficient use of time also reduces stress as you tick off items from your to-do list. So the next one, which is number 9, is know and improve your weak points. You want to score 300 plus in jAMB 2022. Then knowing your strengths and weakness gives you a better understanding of yourself and how you function. Knowing your weakness gives you a clearer understanding of things that may be holding you back, and you can then walk around finding ways to not let your weakness pull you behind. When you know your strengths and weakness, you can create a development strategy that focuses on your specific development needs. Before you consider your weakness, take a little time to consider your strengths. Identify where you could use some improvements. Consider the benefits of changing. Set specific goals. Embrace this challenge and be consistent. Number 10. Stay close to information. Information? Is that what I said? Yes. Having adequate information is extremely important in both academic life and social life. Learning something from inadequate information is the same as not learning anything at all. If you base your ideas and beliefs on false information, then you will never be able to fully form those ideas or beliefs. What will you gain if, at the end of everything, you still make a simple mistake that cost you a year at home? Very bad. So during the period of jAMB registration and preparation, a lot of updates will be released. I said it, a lot will be released. So one way to get this update is to visit School Beginner Daily or you remain in this video. Subscribe to this channel and we'll be giving you updates. No matter when you're watching this video, tons of videos are going to explain this. So you have to stick to this channel. So it will interest you to know that information is the light of the world. If you're not informed perfectly, you will be deformed. So number 11, which is the last one, they say engage with like minds. Now engage with like minds to pass jam. Yes. By engaging with like-minded professionals, you may learn from them at a much faster rate than you will learn on your own. Constant communication with others may help you create and refine your ideas. It can also prevent you from investing time in unproductive tasks. The benefits are clear. Tony Robbins frequently talks about how success leaves clues. So what is referencing in that statement is the fact that if you want to be successful, you should model those who are already where you want to be. Look for those who've scored higher in jam. Model them. Make friends with them. Success is not an independent journey. You have to work with others. We've all had to rely on others to get us to where we are. And we'll continue to have to lean on others in some way, shape, or form to get where we want to. Now, if having role models in life can impart your success, imagine actually having a relationship with them. Meanwhile, the old African proverb says, if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. So, I suggest you get those who have gone far in this business. Make them friends. Admire them. Study with them. Get suggestions from them. Get advices from them. And boom, your journey of 300 plus in jAMB will be a very successful one. So, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for always coming around. It's a pleasure having you all here, especially the smile that you're showing while watching this video. I know you've gained a lot. You have the comment section to show what you've gained, to ask your questions. We are always here up and ready to answer you. So make no mistakes by hiding those questions. Write them down now in the comment section. Come again next Thursday. Invite your friends to this place. Tell them about this channel. We'll give you the best and only the best. So thank you for coming around. See you again. Our hope for you is to pass this jam. Our hope for you is that you score 300 plus. Our hope for you is that you excel. Meet your desired cause, go for your desired dream, and you will excel. So that's what we hope for you. So anticipate and wait for our many videos. Check out as many videos as possible. We've come here, we've come prepared. So see you again next Thursday. Bye for now.